You find where x is equal to 1 on the horizontal axis, the x-axis. Draw a line either up or down to wherever you hit the graph, and then you go across to figure out the y value, because I want to know what is the y value at this point. This is the point x is equal to 1. What's the y value? Negative 1. It's right there. So if x is equal to 1, y is equal to negative 1. That's interpolation. That's it. You can do the reverse. If I say y is equal to 4, what is x? So go to where y is equal to 4, right there. Draw a line across until you hit your graph. Most of the time I won't make it in the middle. I don't know why they picked this point, but and then drop it down. So what's x going to be?
3.5.
Yeah, we'll just make it easy and make it 3.5.
But wait, wouldn't it go down and be 0 since there's an x point there?
It's not on the graph though, right? It has to be on this line.
Yeah, but if you go down, then it is on the line. You know, just straight down from the line.
From here?
Yeah.
But this isn't the graph. This is the graph, this line right here.
Yeah, but if you go down, it does get on the line.
But then that's like, you mean this point right here?
Yeah.
That's a y value of negative 3 though.
Oh, yeah.
Right? Because it's up down. So find it, go straight across, drop down, 3.5. Okay, what about this one? If x is equal to 3, so find x is equal to 3, go up till you hit the graph. Again, they give us a nice decimal. Why they do that, I don't know. So we'll just call that what? 4.5. And we're not going to do y is equal to 0 because that's actually extrapolation. We're going to do y is equal to
Or no, 1.5.
You want to do 1.5? Sure. Okay. So if we say y is equal to 1.5, what is x?
No, it's x is equals to 1.5.
No, we can do. I said y is equal to 1.5.
Y 0? Or we're not doing 0?
We're not doing 0.
Okay.
So if I make y equal 1.5, that's that point right there. Are we on the graph?
Yeah.
So what's the x value?
0.
X is 0. Because we did all those and they're on our line that we've drawn, that's called interpolation. If you go outside the line that you have, the data sets that you have, that's called extrapolation. Okay, so if find y if x is equal to 8. Zoom in on this one. Our data ends here. X equals 8 is somewhere up here, right? So what do we have to do? You have to extend your data points, extend the line, okay? Mm-hmm. So if we extend it, and x is 8, y is going to be 9, because it's right there. You can go in the other direction. In this case, it's a little trickier. If y is equal to 3, so here's y is equal to 3, this little bit right here. I've got to move the line in the other direction. So that's where they would meet. And it's not really clear because they don't give you data set there, right?
If you look at the pattern, it's 2 over and 1 down, so you can just go down, do that until it gets down to
That's
1.
exactly what you do.
Okay.
That's okay. That is essentially like that's what you want to do.
Oh,
So if you think about it, you go, if you look at the pattern of the graph, it's down 1 and over 2. So if I go down 1 and over 2, that's going to be -2, right? And then go down 1 and over 2, what's this point going to be? -4. What is that down 1 over 2? You just did it.
yeah.
That's slope.
Oh.
That's the rate of change of the graph. That's what you're using. And in grade 10 and grade 11 and stuff, that's what you do is you generate the equation of the line, and then you would just use that to do it instead of actually doing it on the graph. So x would be -4. And we'll look at that briefly at the end of this unit. Okay, we're not going to do this one. Are we okay with that? Can I flip the page?
Yeah.
Yes.
All right. Let's put it all into one equation here. Determine the value of x when y is equal to 6. So what's the value of x when y is equal to 6 from this graph? There's y is 6, go across, boom. X is equal to 3. Determine the value of x or y when x is equal to -3. Where's -3? Here it is. X is equal to -3.
Oh yeah.
Is right there. Go up, and it gives you 4. Determine the value of x when y is equal to 3. So now I'm giving you y. So there's y is equal to 3. So what's it going to be? -6? 3, 4, but it's going down 1 and over 2, right?
Down 1 over 3.
Over 3, sorry, you're right. Down 1 and over 3. So went down 1 over 1, 2. If I drew it right, it'd be 3 over here. So it should be 6. Oh. And D, X is 9, so we're way over here. 6, 7, 8. There's 9. If we're going down 1 and over 3, we're going up 1 and over 3 to the right, correct?
Mm-hmm.
So if I go up 1 over 1, 2, 3, that's where they should meet. So what's it going to be? Y is equal to 8. Does that make sense? And final one, x is 5. What is y? You can guesstimate that. What's it? 7? Be slightly less than 7, I would say. 6.5, 6.75. That's it. That's extrapolation and interpolation. Okay. Sorry, go home.
Yes, we must go home.
You have a whole other class after this. You got to use your books again. 196, numbers 4 to 7, please. Books are up at the front.